Hi, greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Today I would like to share my recipe for restaurant style pepper chicken. Let's see how it's done. For this dish, we need the chicken which is already cut into small pieces. If you prefer, you can also peel off the skin. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. We just have to mix them so that the chicken is coated evenly. Then set it aside and let it marinate for 30 minutes. While waiting, let's prepare the ingredients for the paste. We will need about 6 inches of turmeric roots, 5 cloves of garlic, 4 inches of ginger, 1 bulb of red onion, and a little water. We cut these ingredients into small pieces so that they are easy to blend. Now we blend it to a fine paste. Heat up a little oil in a pan. Add 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2 star anise, 4 cardamom seeds, and 7 bird eye chilies. Stir fry for a while and then add the paste we blended earlier. Rinse the blender cup with a little water and add it to the pan as well. Stir and let it boil until it's fragrant. Add in 2 bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. Stir and let it simmer for a while. Now let's add the chicken. Stir until all the chicken is coated with the gravy. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt and a little water so that it's easier to cook. Mix everything and cover the pan for 5 minutes. After this, we need to sprinkle 4 tablespoons of black pepper powder and mix well. Cover the pan again and let it simmer for a while. I'm really sorry, it seems that I forgot to record this step. When the chicken is cooked, sprinkle with 3 chopped spring onions. Here it is. Restaurant style pepper chicken is now ready. We can garnish with a few coriander leaves and spring onions. Well, today I have cooked biryani with cucumber raita. It's a perfect combination with pepper chicken. And that's today's recipe. See you again in the next video. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for my latest recipes. And don't forget to like, comment and share.